market attention has been building around 22nd Century Group, a company that produces low-nicotine cigarettes. Due to recent events like completion of a new license and manufacturing agreement with U.S. cigarette retailer Smoker Friendly, covering 11 SF brands currently sold in its retail stores, as well as 8 new premium brands. The 5-year deal is said to represent the next era of the pair's long-standing relationship, with plans for further product expansion. The new products are expected to focus on the natural segment of the market and occupy a premium position compared to lower-tier items. 22nd Century also benefits from the U.S. FDA advancing its long-standing proposal mandating a reduction in nicotine content in cigarettes. The FDA's proposed tobacco product standard to mandate reduced nicotine content in cigarettes represents one of the most impactful population-level actions in the history of U.S. tobacco product regulation and aligns with 22nd Century's drive to expand the reach of their low-nicotine alternative. The company has already launched its VLN-branded low-nicotine cigarettes for the purpose of reducing nicotine consumption. Their VLN-branded product has been authorized under FDA Modified Risk Tobacco Product Designation and is currently stocked at over 5,000 stores across America. For more on 22nd Century and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.